Why do some file/folder names on Windows have a dot in front of them? For example, in My Documents, there are the following folders. Is this some sort of naming convention that I am unaware of?
This naming convention comes from Unix-like operating systems, such as Linux or OS X, where it means a hidden file or directory. It works anywhere, but its primary use is to hide configuration files in your home directory, for example, ~/.cache/ or ~/.plan. They're frequently called dot files. Dot files could, in a way, be called the traditional Unix equivalent to the updata directory on Windows. Many Linux programs are being changed to follow the XDG-based directory specification, moving their configuration to ~/.config/ and other data to ~/.cache/ and ~/.local/share/. This makes it a little more similar to updata \roaming and updata \local. You have these .ssh and .subversion directories on Windows because you've used some programs, specifically OpenShun Subversion, that have been ported to use Windows System APIS rather than POSIX ones, but haven't been adjusted for some other Windows conventions. Sometimes this adaptation is skipped intentionally, to make life easier for people who use Unix-like environments such as Cygwin on their Windows systems. For example, Cygwin installs the standard set of Unix-like tools like ls, which ignores the Windows hidden flag and only honors the .file names. Also, using the same location, for example, and lt, home and gt:/.ssh, can make it easier to synchronize configuration between one's Windows and Linux/BSD/OS X computers. Also, typically these files are in the user's home directory, for example, /home/name/.ssh on Linux, or c:\users\name\.ssh on Windows 7 Plus. It is quite rare for them to be put in the Documents or My Documents subdirectories. As Rob Pike writes on Google+, this was an accidental feature. Long ago, as the design of the Unix file system was being worked out, the entries and appeared to make navigation easier. I'm not sure, but I believe went in during the version 2 rewrite. When the file system became hierarchical, it had a very different structure early on. When one typed ls, however, these files appeared, so either Ken or Dennis added a simple test to the program. It was in assembler then, but the code in question was equivalent to something like this. If name0 == continue. This statement was a little shorter than what it should have been, which is, if strcmp name == 0 vertical bar strcmp name == 0, continue. But hey, it was easy. Two things resulted. First, a bad precedent was set. A lot of other lazy programmers introduced bugs by making the same simplification. Actual files beginning with periods are often skipped when they should be counted. Second, and much worse, the idea of a hidden or dot file was created. As a consequence, more lazy programmers started dropping files into everyone's home directory. I don't have all that much stuff installed on the machine I'm using to type this, but my home directory has about 100 dot files and I don't even know what most of them are or whether they're still needed. Every file name evaluation that goes through my home directory is slowed down by this accumulated sludge.
If you want to support the channel,